Welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am Professor Mohit Chand, Department of Tourism and Hotel Management, Kurukshetra University, Kurukshetra. Dear students, today we will discuss on the subject tourism and hospitality, paper, travel agency and tour operations, itinerary preparations and tour design. The module 17, role of ITO and TIE in the development of travel agency business in India. Let us discuss the learning outcomes. After completion of this module, students will be able to understand the overview of travel, trade associations and organizations, know the Travel Agents Association of India, TIE, describe TIE's role and contributions, understand the growth of ITO, discuss the role and contribution of ITO in travel agency and tour operation business. Let us discuss the introduction. Today, tourism development and promotion has become the main agenda of most of the nations. Interestingly, to develop and promote travel trade in India, there are many travel trade promotion organizations and associations such as WTO, PATA, ASTA, ITA, UPTA. Apart from these promotional organizations, there are several travel trade organizations such as TIE and ITO, which specialize, deal with travel agency and tour operation business at regional, national and global level. These professional associations offer travel agencies and tour operators continuing education, information services and frequently a voice in the industry related with concerned different type of issues, motivating, developing and promoting tourism in the country. In this module, the students will study the main objectives and role and contribution of Travel Agents Association of India, TIE, and the Indian Association of Tour Operators, ITO. Let us discuss about the trade associations and organizations. Today, tourism has been recognized a single largest item in world trade. Perhaps it is likely to become the largest global industry by the end of 2020. The industry is already accounting for more than 9% of total world trade, 25% of the total service sector and about 12% of the global employment. It has become a multi-faceted industry that affects nearly all sectors of international and national economy. Further, travel and tourism is a key sector for economic development and job creation throughout the world. In 2016, travel and tourism directly contributed US 2.3 trillion and 109 million jobs worldwide, taking its wide influence, impact and contribution. It contributed 7.6 trillion to the global economy and supported 292 million jobs in 2016. This was equal to 10.26 of the world GDP and approximately 1 to 10 of the jobs. Travel and tourism impact includes people traveling for both leisure and business domestically and internationally. In 2016, 76.8% of all travel spending was as a result of leisure travels, compared to 23.2 from the business travels. Domestic travel generated 72% of the sector's contribution to GDP. thus making a significant larger contribution than international travel, with foreign visitors spending at 28% to develop and promote travel trade in India. There are mainly travel trade promotion organizations and associations such as WTO, PATA, ASTA, ITA, UFTA. Apart from these promotional organizations, there are several trade related to travel organizations such as TAI, ITO, which are especially deal with travel agencies and tour operation business at both level, regional, national and international, and provide a common platform to solve travel companies various types of problems, issues just like HRD, financial, marketing and safeguard of interests, lay down code of ethics and also helps the agency on a variety of travel issues. Moreover, travel trade associations are helpful to the travel agency and to our operation businesses for contributing towards the tourism industry. Let us start discussion about the TAI. The Travel Agents Associations of India was formed towards the end of the year 1961 by a group of 12 leading travel agents who felt that the time had come to create an association to regulate the travel industry in India along organization image and in accordance with the sound business partner principles. TAI has been in existence for over 66 years now. Its name as well as its credibility both with the travelers and the government of India is well established. The primary purpose was to protect the interest of those engaged in the industry, to promote its ordinary growth and development, and to safeguard the traveling public from exploited by unethical and unreliable practices in the following years. Association membership has sweltered steady from the original 12 to approximately 2,500 members consisting active, associate, allied, government and non-residents. The TAI was incorporated on a modest scale and had only 12 travel agencies as its members at that time. The organization now has membership of about 2,500 in more than 86 cities of India and around 20 foreign countries. The TAI logo represented integrity, ethics, professionalism, service and financial soundness of the travel agencies. TAI is a limited company with headquarters at Mumbai. The Travel Agents Association of India is the representative body of the travel industry of India, representing not only the interest of travel agents but also of other segments of the tourism industry, such as tour operator, hoteliers, airlines, international and domestic, transport companies, cruise companies, excursion agents and tourist guides who are member. The Ministry of Tourism, Government of India and state tourism departments recognize the representativeness and its importance, and the company is solve the different type of issues directly or indirectly impact on tourism. In fact, the Department of Tourism, ITDC and state tourism corporations are its member. The company has consultative status with the Ministry of External Affairs, Civil Aviation, Finance, Transportation, Railway and Home Affairs. Aims and objectives of TIE. TIE is conscious of the interests of the traveling public and maintains high ethical standards within the travel trade. TIE aims at the development of the travel and tourism industry in India by constantly improving the standards of services and professional ethics in the industry so as to cater to the needs of the travelers and tourists from within India and overseas. TIE is engaged in promoting mutual cooperation among the different segments of the travel and tourism industry. Among TIE members, by contributing to the sound progress and growth of the industry as a whole. Activities of TIE. TIE functions as a powerful platform for the interaction of thoughts and experience. TIE helps promote, maintain and stimulate the growth of travel and tourism in the industry. TIE educates and equips the members to meet the challenges of tomorrow through conventions and seminars. TIE draws the attention of the controlling and regulatory authorities in the country and discusses with them the problems of the industry and works with the survival and betterment of the members. TIE maintains close contact with the world bodies and represents members affecting the travel and tourism industry of the country. TIE gathers useful information on travel and tourism and disseminate the same to the members for their guidance. TIE helps develop better understanding among the different segments of the travel industry and brings them into its fold by offering membership under different categories. TIE fosters friendly among members. Now discuss the TIE's role and contribution. The travel agency business these days has gone much beyond the mere ticketing and reservation. It covers a wide spectrum of activities including tour planning, tour designing, tour marketing, costing and pricing, travel insurance, foreign currency, travel guides, etc. Therefore, TIE is in its process of serving and identifying the genuine professionals to ensure the quality of services and meet the demands of the industry. The role of TIE thus cannot be underestimated to ensure fair trade practices, standardization of services and tourism promotion, etc. Today, TIE considers itself as a strong marketing arm of airlines, travel companies, government and other organizations. The role of TIE functions as powerful platform for international interactions through the experience, protect the interest of Indian travel companies, organize training and development programs for the members. It provides means for collaborations and develop and promote tourism. It provides timely, up-to-date information for the members. TIE promotes ethical practices. TIE helps to promote, maintain and stimulate the growth of travel and tourism industry. TIE educates and equips the members to meet the challenges of tomorrow through conventions and seminars. TIE draws the attention of the controlling and regulatory authorities in the country and discusses the problems, issues of the industry. TIE helps develop better understanding among the different segments of the travel industry and bring them into its fold by offering membership under different categories. It protects the interest of Indian travel companies, organizes training and development programs for the members. TIE provides means for collaboration and develop and promote tourism. It provides timely, up-to-date and reliable information to the members. It promotes ethical practices. It helps in promotion of inbound, outbound and domestic tourism. TIE helps government to formulate tourism policy. It helps in maintaining continuous dialogue with other tourism organizations. Now let us discuss about the Indian Association of Tour Operators. The Indian Association of Tour Operators, ITO, is the national body of the tourism industry. It has over 1,800 members covering all segments of tourism industry. ITO today has international acceptance and linkages. It has close connections and constant interacting with either tourism associations in USA, Nepal, Indonesia, and different other countries. Its members are open nationally as well as internationally. Its networks with professional bodies for better facilities to the international travelers visiting not only India but entire region. Moreover, ITO has 12 action committees, each focused on specialized area, headed by a convener, assisted by his committee members. Over the years, the functions of the travel companies have increased considerably. The travel agencies are no more acting as middlemen between the vendors and tourists. They are specialized in one product line, tour packaging. Today, they are the manufacturers of tourism product and are commonly known as tour operators. The tour operator has his own price tag for earning profit and has deployed several tour professional programs. However, to encourage, assist and to protect the interest of tour operators, the Indian Association of Tour Operators, TIE, was formed in 1982. The association is the representative body of tour operator. The ITO promotes, develops and helps the members to maintain and set up high ethical standards in the industry. It has been playing a very significant role in the promotion and development of inbound tourism. The ITO has taken many steps which are necessary for promoting, assisting and encouraging the development of travel and tourism industry throughout the country, and has also taken an initiative to secure the welfare of tourism business. In all respect, the association has promoted an equal opportunities for all visitors to enjoy the travel facilities without the distinction of race, color, creed or nationality. ITO has 12 action committees, each focused on a specialized area headed by convener associated by his committee members. They are Adventure Tourism, Development Committee, Civil Aviation, Press and PR Committee, Domestic Tourism Development Committee, Guides Coordination Committee, Host Committee, Hotel Relations Development Committee, ITO News Committee, Legal Affairs, Insurance and Consumer Committee, Privilege Card Development Committee, Railways Coordination and Development Committee, Surface Transportation Development Committee, Website Development Committee. ITO member must every month on the Saturday for interacting with each other and to solve their different type of problems. The membership are updated on the events of the month at the meeting with the feedback from the chapters and the action committee. Major issues are focused and discussed at the ITO annual conventions. All ITO annual conventions are held in different states of India every year. Different states for each other to hold this national industry convention. ITO agenda, long-term unity, various associations representing different interests within this, the entire industry, by putting together a common platform and working program, create strong lobby with the government to ensure prompt participation in decision making with the government prior to enacting of new laws, revisions of policies and otherwise foster contact, coordination and exchange with international tourism bodies and associations worldwide, and establish a regular dialogue with global associations, membership to state level bureaucratic and politicians who have been involved with tourism betterment in order to ensure effective support and adding strength to the lobby. Arrangement with major financial institutions for grant of loans for small and medium scale tourism projects, arrangement of special quotation with domestic airlines for offering fixed discounts fares for the members, and ITO teams taking businesses travel within the country, setting up an ITO school of tourism and club to facilitate professional training of the guides, entrepreneurs, youth, others, to arrange allotment of land and funds for this purpose, setting up of a proper legal cell to safeguard the interest of the members against overseas agents, markets of the funds, strengthening, promoting of ITO logo on global levels in order to formally establish its own identity and power value through specific PR and other consistent efforts to provide, open up and establishing a channel of communications with the PM office in order to develop tourism and promote the activities. Tourism as a major agenda of ITO to ensure greater efficiency and rapid commercializations. Recreation of ITO website with date and informations updating on every times. Unity ITO members through the regular dialogues and creates greater participation from members irrespective of size of their company. Repositioning of ITO newsletter effectively covering news and views of the industry, both nationally and internationally, to facilitate the members' progress reorientations of ITO secretariats for efficient and timely handling of decision, placing a second time of common system in place, 24 hours helpline of international airports to facilitate members with the right information and support, availability of an ITO reference date library at secretariats, developing marketing data, marketing trends, trade trends, exhibitions, logistics support, foreign travels, recommendation, hotels, training programs, tie up with different institutions. Ready acceptance of ITO recommendations for visa clearance and passport services, insurance coverage of special kind for safeguard against consumer protection law, ITO regional chapter reactivations for the greater independent functioning to fully encourage separate destination marketing, bearing in mind the development of the international airports in different parts of the India. Printing of compact ITO India arrival booklet covering ITO and key informations to provide instant informations, references, assistance to tourists from all countries upon arrival at immigrations. Let us discuss the ITO's contribution and role in travel trade. The main role of ITO is to promote national integration, international welfare and goodwill. Next, to take necessary steps for promotion, encouragement and development of tourism in the country. Next, to develop, promote and encourage friendly feeling among the tour operators and travel agents. Next, to protect the interest of the members. Next, to set up and maintain high ethical standards. Next, to settle the disputes of the members. Next, to communicate and negotiate with different members or Chamber of Commerce, ITO, Government of India, Ministry of Tourism, other organizations on behalf of members to get affiliation with the tourism organizations in other countries. Next, to organize promotional tours with DOT, airlines and international tourism bodies, to institute awards for excellence in travel trade. Next, protect the members from the malpractices. Next, provide information. Tourism and travel associations exist in almost every country of the world. These associations lay down the guidelines, objectives and aims to protect the interests of the members as well as tourists. The association already and directly promote tourism and build the image of the country at global. These associations help the development of tourism to formulate effective and extensive tourism policies and strategies. Let us discuss now the summary. The travel agency and tour operators, primarily suppliers of services in the market for tourism products. We have seen that they cannot work in an isolation. They must be linked with other travel trade organizations to achieve the objectives. Moreover, they must be supported by the other organizations to meet the changing market demands. Thus, they must be supported by the trade associations to protect their interests, solve problems, issues, and market their product and services at global level. In this module, we have understood that there are various travel trade associations to regulate and help the travel agency and tour operation businesses in the healthy promotion and development further. This module introduced with two important travel trade associations, namely TIE and ITO. In this modules, we are clear about the role and contribution of TIE and ITO in the promotion and development of travel agency and to our operation business. Beside in Indian tourism. Thank you for watching EPG Pathshala.